third meal of the day, by the way. I got protein pasta, boy. And I got me a glass of milk, boy. Oh, it's not really a glass for it, but you get what I'm talking about. Whole milk, red cap. Protein pasta, I'm gonna got like 40 grams. No, I'm probably got like 20 grams. Shall we? Y'all want the first bite? I know y'all be greedy. No, I'm joking. That mud hitting on something, bro. It's not microwave this time. Damn, straight out the oven with it. Look at that. I wish y'all could see it in detail. That thing hot, boy. Before I started eating 5 meals a day, I was 164. Now I weigh 173. And probably even more now, because I checked like 2 days ago. But I'm eating 5 meals a day consistently. Don't fail, don't miss a beat. Just Y'all see the work, man. People said it's hard, but I beg to differ. Big dog, big gains. Let's get it.